In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map a domain in Zoho Desk. This is an essential step if you want to integrate your customer support portal seamlessly with your business's branded identity. So, let's dive right in and ensure your customers have a cohesive experience every time they reach out to your support team. First things first, you need to be logged into Zoho Desk with administrator privileges. This is crucial, as only an administrator has the necessary rights to make changes to domain settings. If you're not the admin, you may need to consult with the person who manages your platform privileges. With those credentials at hand, go ahead and log into your Zoho Desk account. Once you're in, head over to the Setup section. You will find this by looking for the gear icon, usually located at the top right corner of your dashboard. Give that a click, and you'll open up a world of settings that allow for a range of customizations. Within the setup options, look for the Organization section. Under this, you'll see the option labeled Rebranding. Click on it so we can start tailoring your support portal to reflect your unique business identity. Now, in the Rebranding section, you're going to find the Domain Mapping option. Click on Domain Mapping to proceed. This step is important because it's essentially the gateway to linking your personalized domain with Zoho Desk. Once you're in the domain mapping area, you'll notice a button that says Map Domain. Click on this to launch the Domain Mapping Setup Wizard. This is where the magic happens, and you'll be guided through the setup process step by step. At this point, you need to have a desired domain URL in mind. This is essentially the web address you want your customers to visit when they seek support from your company. For example, you might choose something like supportyourcompany.com. Make sure your domain reflects your brand clearly and is easy for your customers to remember. Enter your chosen domain URL in the designated field. After you've typed that in, go ahead and click Next to continue the process. Once you've completed these steps, you may need to configure your domain's DNS settings with your domain provider. This typically involves setting up CNAME records and other protocols to redirect web traffic to the Zoho Desk platform. Be sure to consult with your IT team or domain host if you need assistance with this technical step. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully mapped your domain to Zoho Desk, helping to create a professional and seamless customer support experience. Remember, any changes you make are not just technical tweaks, but improvements that will enhance how your customers interact with your brand. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.